Hello cuties, welcome back to our channel. In last video we learnt about the letter R. In this video we are going to learn about the letter S. The sound of letter S and few words that starts with letter S. This is a capital S. This is a capital S. This is a lowercase s. The sound of letter S. S. The sound of letter S. S. Let's see few words that starts with letter S. Come, let's go. S for snake. S, s, snake. S for snake. S for sun. S, s, sun. S for sun. S for snail. S, s, snail. S for snail. S for spider. S, s, spider. S for spider. S for star. S, s, star. S for star. S for strawberry. S, s, strawberry. S for strawberry. S for swan. S, s, swan. S for swan. S for spoon. S, s, spoon. S for spoon. S for sword. S, s, sword. S for sword. Good job! So, you all know the sound of letter S. Come, let's say it together. The sound of letter S is S. So, let's see the letter T in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on to the like button and share button. Do subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.